Tired of the same old tomato companion planting advice? Join me as I uncover surprising and effective plant pairings that will take your tomato harvest to the next level. Forget everything you think you know about companion planting for tomatoes, because today we're diving deep into unconventional pairings that will leave you amazed and your garden absolutely thriving. Why companion planting for tomatoes works like magic. Companion planting isn't just gardening folklore passed down through generations. It's a scientifically backed approach that can dramatically transform your tomato yields. When you strategically place certain plants alongside your precious tomato vines, you're essentially creating a natural ecosystem that works in perfect harmony. These companion plants act as living bodyguards, nutrient enhancers, and flavor boosters, all rolled into one incredible gardening strategy. The magic happens through multiple pathways that most gardeners never fully appreciate. Your companion plants release specific chemical compounds through their roots and leaves that either repel harmful insects or attract beneficial ones. Some companions improve soil structure and nutrient availability, while others create microclimates that help your tomatoes thrive in challenging weather conditions. This symbiotic relationship means you're not just growing individual plants, you're cultivating an interconnected community where each member supports the others. What truly excites me about companion planting is how it addresses the three biggest challenges every tomato grower faces: pest pressure, nutrient deficiencies, and flavor development. Instead of reaching for synthetic solutions, you're harnessing nature's own problem-solving mechanisms that have been refined over millions of years of evolution. Most gardeners stop at the classic chili pepper and parsley combination, and while these are undeniably effective, they're merely scratching the surface of what's possible. Chili peppers contain capsaicin, a powerful compound that creates an invisible barrier around your tomatoes, deterring aphids, spider mites, and even larger pests like rabbits and deer. Parsley brings its own remarkable benefits through its intensely aromatic compounds that confuse and repel many flying insects. But here's what most gardeners miss. Parsley also attracts hoverflies and parasitic wasps, which are absolutely crucial for controlling aphid populations naturally. However, limiting yourself to just these two companions is like having access to an entire orchestra, but only playing two instruments. The garden ecosystem is incredibly complex and diverse, and your tomatoes can benefit from a much wider range of plant partnerships that most gardeners never even consider. Let me introduce you to some companion plants that will completely revolutionize how you think about tomato gardening. Marigolds might seem like purely decorative additions, but they're actually sophisticated chemical warfare specialists. These vibrant flowers produce compounds called thiophenies that are absolutely devastating to root knot nematodes, microscopic worms that can destroy your tomato harvest from below ground. The relationship between basil and tomatoes goes far beyond culinary compatibility. It's a partnership that benefits both plants in remarkable ways. Basil releases volatile oils that not only repel aphids, whiteflies, and hornworms, but actually improve the flavor concentration in nearby tomatoes. Scientific studies have shown that tomatoes grown alongside basil contain higher levels of lycopene and have more intense, complex flavors. Borage is perhaps the most underutilized companion plant in modern gardens, yet it's absolutely transformative for tomato cultivation. This beautiful blue-flowered herb is like a magnet for beneficial insects, attracting predatory beetles, lacewings, and bees that provide both pest control and enhanced pollination. Borage also has an incredible ability to improve soil structure through its deep taproot, bringing up nutrients from lower soil layers and making them available to your shallow-rooted tomatoes. The key to exceptional companion planting results lies in understanding proper spacing and timing, elements that can make the difference between moderate success and absolutely spectacular harvests. Rotation becomes crucial when you're using diverse companion planting strategies. Each season, experiment with different combinations and, document what works best in your specific microclimate and soil conditions. Companion planting works most effectively when integrated with other natural pest control methods rather than used in isolation. Insecticidal soap applications become much more effective when combined with pest-repelling companion plants because the companions reduce initial pest populations while the soap treatments handle any breakthrough infestations. When you finally harvest tomatoes that have been grown using diverse companion planting strategies, the difference is, honestly, immediately apparent. The fruits are typically larger, more flavorful, and have better shelf life because the plants have been healthier throughout the growing season. Ready to transform your tomato growing experience? Start experimenting with these companion planting strategies this season and discover the incredible difference they can make. Don't forget to subscribe to our Smart Garden channel for more game-changing gardening insights, and share this video with fellow gardeners who are ready to take their harvests to the next level. Your garden and your dinner table will thank you for it.